this image that you're seeing on your screen and this other one and this other one were all created using AI tools. And that's not all. I even went ahead to create a video, to generate a video using some AI tools. And when I posted it online, when I shared it online, a lot of people started asking me questions about how I created them, how I generated the videos, how am I making money with the tools. So that is why I'm making this video today. If you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you and explain to you how you can actually make money online using AI tools in 2025. You don't need to have any tech skills. You don't need to have a formal training. If you can operate a phone, if you can browse online, you can actually do this. That is why I'm going to be showing you all of the ways you can make money online using this AI tool. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Awajima Misioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuff online. I show you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your income. So before we get into the video, what you are going to do for me is to kindly support me by liking this video, subscribing, and making sure that you turn on the notification bell. When you turn on the notification bell, it helps you to get notified whenever I share new videos. So having said that, let's get straight into the video. Let me show you how to make money online with AI tools in 2025. Now, this is going to be a step-by-step guide for beginners majorly. But even if you're not a beginner, there are no issues. Number one on my list is AI-powered content creation. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Copy.ai, you can generate blog articles, you can generate content, you can generate social media captions, email, newsletter, and etc. You can use that to make money for yourself. For example, how do you make money here? You can offer content writing services. If you are somebody who loves writing, you can actually use ChatGPT to create writing services for people, for business owners, and you can even use the skill to make money on Fiverr, on freelancing platforms like Upwork, and even help small business owners. You can also start your own blog. You can start to monetize using ads. You can monetize using affiliate links and all of that. You can become a copywriter using these AI tools. That is number one. Number two is that you can create and sell AI generated ebooks or courses. I have done this before. There's one of my books that is selling right now. It was created completely using AI tools. All I needed to do was to generate the title, generate the content, and then just add some human touch to it, so it doesn't just look like complete AI written book. Are you getting it now? So you can actually create AI generated ebooks and courses. You can use AI to help write your books, outline your simple digital courses, and you can even create introduction, forewords, and the content, table of content for your book. I use ChatGPT a lot. So ChatGPT is one tool that can help you do that. You can go ahead and create the cover using Canva, and you can even use Notion AI to help you package your knowledge very fast. So how do you make money on this using these AI tools? You can sell your ebooks and your courses on platforms like Seller, on Gumroad, on Amazon, or even on your own website. If you look at your screen right here, this is one of the books that I wrote using these AI tools that I'm telling you about, and this book is selling as we speak. All right, so I'm not just telling you about something that is not working. It's something that is working, which I do every day. That is number two. If you want to learn how to create and sell ebooks, if you want to learn how I do it, just go to the comment section and drop a comment for me. I'm going to send you a link to my private group where I do trainings for all of these things. All right, that is number two. Number three is AI voiceover and video generation. Just like the video I showed you before, you can use AI tools to generate voiceovers, you can use AI tools to generate videos and even become a content creator. Tools like Pictory, Lumen 5, 11 Labs let you turn scripts into narrated videos without needing to be on camera. Personally, I don't like to show my face on camera, so I can employ ChatGPT, I can employ 11 Labs to help me come up with voiceovers, help me also generate the videos. Are you getting it now? But there is a techniques, there's a strategy to do this, otherwise you may not get the best out of this. So how do you make money from this? You can create video courses, you can sell video creation services. Let's say you love creating and editing videos, you can employ ChatGPT or you can employ AI tools to help you create and edit videos, and then you sell your video services to business owners. Sometimes you can even help them run ads, create business videos and sell to them or sell your services to them. You can also start up a YouTube channel. Are you getting it now? Or you can even start up a TikTok channel and be creating your content, and when you monetize, you get paid. A beautiful way to do this is to start with faceless YouTube channel or faceless TikTok channels where you keep posting content without even showing your face, and once you monetize, you get paid. That is number 3. Number 4 is for you to sell AI art. AI art. You can be selling pictures generated from AI. You can sell wallpapers generated from AI. Tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, Canvas AI features lets you create logos, flyers, t-shirt designs, and even artwork. How do you make money from this? You can sell them as digital products either on Etsy, on Redbubble, on Google, on Gumroad, on Seller, on different digital platforms that allow you to sell your digital products. You can be doing this. All right. So this is a very good way for you to make money with AI tools. Now, the 5th one, which is our last one, is that you can create AI chatbot services for businesses. There are lots of businesses or business owners that don't have time to answer messages. So you can actually create a chatbot. A chatbot is actually like an assistant, all right? Like a virtual assistant that helps you answer questions, take orders from people, answer their pressing needs and all of that. All right. You can help business owners build chatbots. An example of that is ManyChat. All right. So these AI tools will now be answering people on behalf of the business owners. So they don't have to stress themselves. You just have to go through the process and set it up to the point that people can actually pay and place orders for their businesses. All right, that is how you can make money using these chatbots. So these are 5 ways you can actually make money online using AI tools in 2025. When I say no tech skills is required, it means that you don't really have to be a techie person to do this. If you know how to browse online, if you know how to download stuffs online, if you know how to type even on your WhatsApp, you can use any of these tools to make money for yourself. I believe that you have gotten value from this video. If you got value from this video and you have not liked, you have not subscribed, please drop a like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to turn on the notification bell because I will keep sharing some more important information or more important videos on this channel. Before I leave this video right now, if you want to learn how I create content or how you can actually make money using these AI tools, you want me to show you and teach you the exact steps I used to create and make money using these AI tools, then go to the comment section and drop a comment for me. All right, or check the link in the description. I'm going to drop links to other resources and I'm going to drop a link to my private group where I teach you how you can turn your knowledge into digital products, and we are going to be using these AI tools. All right, if you want to get access to that group, just go to the comment section, drop a comment for me, or go to the link in the descriptions. I will drop all of those things for you there. For now, that is all for this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.